If you're trying to decide between Campaign Monitor and AWeber for email marketing, especially when it comes to analytics, you're in the right place. Both platforms offer insights into your campaigns, but which one truly gives you the edge? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know which tool gives you the most value, and I'll also share a better alternative that offers even more powerful analytics. First up, Campaign Monitor. Their analytics are visually appealing, and you get detailed insights into open rates, click-throughs, and engagement over time. Their heat maps show where subscribers are clicking, which is great for optimizing email layout. Plus, their segmentation reports help tailor content based on audience behavior. But here's the catch: real-time tracking is limited, and deeper integrations with third-party analytics tools are lacking. If you want advanced attribution or a clear path from email to conversion, you might hit some roadblocks. Now, AWeber. AWeber's reporting tools are more basic but functional. You get open rates, click rates, and subscriber growth trends. They also offer automation tracking, which helps see how well your email sequences perform. However, AWeber's biggest limitation? The analytics lack depth compared to Campaign Monitor. There's no real heat map feature, and while you get engagement insights, they aren't as detailed. If you're serious about data-driven email marketing, you might find AWeber's reporting a bit underwhelming. Another thing to consider is usability. Campaign Monitor's dashboard is sleek, but it can feel overwhelming with too many options buried in menus. AWeber, on the other hand, keeps things simple, but at the cost of fewer in-depth features. So, if you're looking for a balance between ease of use and analytics depth, neither of these platforms fully checks both boxes. Deliverability also plays a role in analytics. If your emails aren't landing in inboxes, all those insights mean nothing. Campaign Monitor has solid deliverability, but some users report issues with certain email providers marking messages as spam. AWeber generally has strong deliverability, but some email templates can trigger spam filters, which affects open rates and, in turn, the quality of your analytics. So, which one is better for analytics? If you want a more visual and detailed look at how your emails are performing, Campaign Monitor is the better choice. If you prefer something simpler but reliable, AWeber does the job, but it lacks advanced insights. But after testing both, I found an even better alternative that offers deeper analytics, better automation tracking, and a more user-friendly interface. If you want the best email marketing platform for tracking performance and improving results, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.